What's up? It's MonkeyBoo at the doctor. He's here for his yearly checkup. He's probably going to have to get a couple shots. He's not going to like that. It was funny, as soon as we walked up this place, it's like he remembered last year when he had his canines removed and his testicles. He wasn't real happy about that much. Boo, get right here. Get right here. Up here. Get right here. Oh, are you tangled up? I'm sorry. Now get right here. Come on. Up. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, he wants to play. He don't know he's fixing to get a needle stuck in him. 2 times right there. Shh, shh. It's gonna be okay. Then he gets a treat. He's wide open. He's playing. He just had an hour-long car ride. Who's in here?
What they give you? You're a big boy, huh? How's he doing?
He's doing good. No, you can't go down. You can't go there. You can't go in there. So get back up here. Get right here. Up. Right here. Good boy. We jump around in such a happy mood in here in just a minute when they stick. You're gonna be like Forrest Gump, like something shot me in the butt. Boo, who's out there? Talk to him. Say hey. Say hey. Say hey, Boo's in here. You're silly, Boo. Get up here. Good boy. You listen pretty good. Alright guys, may notice Boo's wearing his diaper today. He's actually kind of mad at me. Boo's a nudist. He likes to run around and free ball it. Don't you, Boo? I would love him and hug him and squeeze him and pet him. I'm gonna name him George. Wow. 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 Oh, you hurt me so bad. Oh no, it's a monkey attack. What are you doing? Get up here. Get up here. Get up here. Come on.
Boo! Hi, bud. How are you? Hello, Boo. Did your butt itch?
So I got a poopy on.
Uh-oh.
It's really good on for right now. What's that?
It's just a little Smartie candy. What are you going to do? It tastes good.
He's putting it in his leash to crunch it up.
Okay.
That's one of those.
That's pretty good stuff, isn't it? I like those.
You show them how smart you are. So I break stuff up before I eat it.
You're a pretty good boy. That's good, isn't it? Thank you. You're gonna help groom me a little bit now? Thank you. Hope I don't have any freckles. Yeah, you're a good helper.
This is your pen.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, he's plotting on it.
Oh, the keys.
Boo. You can't have that.
You're a smart little dude. So I'm gonna ask you to hug him up tight and we'll get these 2 shots.
Boo, get right back the next
All
day.
right, you're a good boy. I know. I'll be right back. All right, Boo.
Yep. Shot. He knows he's getting a shot. It's okay, bro. I'm right here. It'll be over in just a minute. And it'll keep you healthy. Yeah, it's okay, bro. Oh. But you're gonna make all of these ladies that watch you cry. No. See, now if you don't cry, they won't cry. that cool floor feel good? Huh? Boo, if you'd be good, we'll get you a smoothie. You like smoothies? You like a strawberry smoothie?
I know, this is a very scary day. You like to hold hands, don't you? Well, you want to see her?
Mm.
She's nice.
You don't trade papers.
So I'm just a tree to get to somewhere else, huh?
Yeah.
He's like, so what all we gotta do here?
Okay,
Look
let's
at
get to it. I know. We might as well get to it. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, I will play with you. It's okay, Bruce. Oh, boy.
We're gonna have to do it the hard way? Okay.
Hey. I'm not gonna hurt you. It's not gonna hurt, honey bear. Oh, boy, you're a talker. Oh, boy, you're the talking man. Right here, looks fine. Does one seem to bother more than the other?
No.
You're fine. You have beautiful ears, Boo. You have beautiful ears, Mr. Boo.
See, it's not so bad. We gotta listen to your heart. It beats really fast. Hey.
This is okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's held up pretty good. Hey, now, come on, don't be biting. It's okay. It's okay. You don't have any of that, huh? That doesn't hurt.
What do you think of that? No. Boo. Let me read this. Now who's in charge? It's okay. It's okay, Boo. It's okay.
Okay. That sounds beautiful.
Man, that part's over with.
Boy, you're stressed out, huh?
Not so bad. Not so bad. Huh?
Good boy.
You did good. You did good, Boo.